Hey guys, and welcome to What's New in Unity 5.0. These are probably the most important features that Unity says that it introduced, so we're gonna go through most of them, including this awesome physically based standard shader, which, apt to its name, does set a new standard. We'll be creating this entire game. You'll see it in full action by the end of this intro. And this replaces the previous ad hoc shaders, such as like bump diffuse and specular and so on, by giving us all of these options, which are also optimized for other platforms. So for example, here's my guy and I want to make him look completely metallic, and right away I can adjust all of these things. I can also drop in a texture up here which will specify these textures specifically to a spot. Next up, hand in hand, we've got real-time global illumination built on none other than the Geometrics Enlightened technology. So this is really cool. In real time, it does have a gotcha to it. It's pre-computed real time. It bounces the lights off of the objects, but it pre-computes the position. So you kind of have to pre-compute, sort of bake it, but then in the end you can still move stuff around without having to rebake it from the very beginning. Now you'll also notice that my guy doesn't stand out from the rest of the scene. He kind of does fit in. And this is because of the HDR reflection probes to enhance visual fidelity. So I've got this probe here, and it specifies this domain and reflects it in HDR, which I've got set up several around the scenes. And of course I've got these light probes as well. Seriously solid updates to the animation system. Let's have our guy walk around, which is using, by the way, the new nav mesh. He's got some really simple to implement AI components going on, but I'm pretty excited these state machine behaviors. So this is a script which you can drop off directly on a different state. So you can have different audio clips or what have you trigger as our hero actually travels from one spot to another. 5.0 also brings us the awesome PhysX 3.3 implementation, which really improves and makes physics a lot more realistic, as I've created into this ragdoll. And that's how you break into the house. Let's walk in. But wait, there's more. Several more things we're going to learn about, such as the UI, and we're going to go into the AI as well. I'm really stoked to teach you guys a lot of the features that Unity packed into its latest release of the engine.